All right, maintaining presence while the entity sounds helicopter activity at the same time under the light source. This is P.O.C. and there is LAPD communicating a threat. All right, it doesn't matter how old the third party is, engaging in that ongoing psychopathic behavior, not only going to be subject to what are mental examinations, but you're looking at what is the absence of any coincidence while the entity is in the specific environment, monitoring ongoing documentation. By the way, 10:46 a.m., I will continue to upload the video documentation, what I captured on April 8, 2022 at 10:48 a.m., which the entity is anticipating having a demon outside of my office while the entity is at the same time stalking in the path with helicopter, communicating a threat relevant to what is workplace terrorism, harassment, and sexual violence by an entity that's engaged in criminal surveillance. And again, you have what is all 59 units going to federal prison, filled with third-party group stalkers, including this one of 1808 number 1, showing what is ongoing documented impunity. All right, this is POC. It is currently 10:46 a.m.